Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive again. This is the actual intake manifold. I've removed the whole intake manifold out from that Boxster, and we're just gonna clean the. See how dirty look at the oil in there. That's been there for probably 20 years. So when we take it out, we actually thoroughly clean this out, disconnect that, and clean from this side here, clean from there. Same on this side here. Try not to get into the injector. And then we'll just use some brake cleaner to flush it from the top all the way down to here, and then that's it. So we'll try not to get anything in there in the injector. By actually just gonna put a little rag every time we do one. A rag in there like that. Just small your rag. Tuck in here to block the injector hole, and when I finish flushing it, then I'll open it up again. But for now, it's alright. Yeah, there's a lot of, look at that, it's so dirty. This one here, so look at that. A lot of dirt. Alright, so I'm going to clean that, hopefully finish it today and put it back tomorrow. While we're waiting for the other exhaust part and other stuff. Waiting for the coming from Germany. Some of the exhaust parts, nuts and bolts and all that in Germany, but this is the beginning of the cleaning. Once we finish, we'll show another video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.